Hey loves, welcome back to another wash and go tutorial. I decided to spice up my wash and go this time using African Pride products, plus it's simple and easy. Check this out. Hey loves, welcome back to another video. My name is Kaela, and if you are a lover of natural hair, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and follow me on Instagram at the OKae. So in today's video, I'm going to spice up my wash and go just a little bit. So I'm going to be doing a deep side part today with some braided, like 3 or 4, maybe probably just 3 braids back on this side, and just adding some hair charms to it. So I wanted to spice it up just a little bit. Same technique, but I am going to be trying a different product combination today, and I'm going to be using the African Pride hair care brand. So shout out to African Pride for really just sending me these amazing products. I raved about them in my gel-free product combination video, so make sure you guys check that out. I'll leave that at the cards at the top and also in the description box down below for you guys to go watch. And everything I've mentioned in this video will be in the description box down below for you guys to check out. Now in today's video, I actually have their curl defining gel. Now for this sake of this video, I'm not going to be using it throughout like the curls part of my hair, but I'm going to be using it with the braided side. So the whole idea with this look is it's just going to be this deep side part with the curls flowing on this side, and just, you know, my curls kind of out of my face on this side. So let's jump right into this video. So first I'm going to go in with the Curl Milk in Detangler. This is their aloe and coconut water line. I just wanted to smell it first. Has a very light fresh scent, which I love, and this is a 12 fluid ounce bottle. So you guys know I'm always talking about the size of the bottle and the price point. And African Pride price point, chef's kiss. Okay, this is something that you definitely want to get your hands on. I know you can buy African Pride at Walmart and they're relatively like under $15. Okay, so you can't beat that. Now I already have my hair parted in sections. You guys know I like to start with the 2 back sections, and with those 2 back sections I divide them into basically 4, so a top and a bottom. And then I just did, like, you know, the 2 in the front, which we'll get to that. But before I get started styling, I wanted to just go ahead and put the detangler all throughout my hair. Okay, so I've already put in all of the curl milk throughout my sections, and now I went ahead and started braiding this side that I'm going to braid. So I don't know if you guys can kind of see that. I decided to go in like diagonal parts, and I don't even know if y'all know, but this is really a challenge for me when it comes to parting, because I just literally suck at parting. So I already have this out the way, and I went in with the curl defining gel for the braids, just, you know, to make sure that they're super neat, especially when I get ready to tie that part down, and they just look super sleek when it has gel compared to foaming mousse whenever I do a braided twist. So went in with that, and I'll go ahead and say this is the same aloe and coconut water line as the curl milk that I just used. This is a pretty good gel. Like, honestly, if I wanted to go throughout my head and define it with this gel, I feel like this gel would really do the job. Same scent, obviously, it's the same thing, but I feel like the texture and hold of this gel is dang near giving me Eco Styler gel, so that's pretty cool. And this is a 18 ounce bottle, so just so you guys can see, it's a pretty decent size amount of gel. So I'm gonna flip this part out the way, and I did kind of end the braid with a rubber band because this part is going to be out, so, you know, be defined with the rest of the curls. So let's go back in and part the hair again, and I'm probably honestly going to just do 3 braids because that's how much room I have. with the parts that I did. So I mean, you can do smaller ones, but I just feel like 3 would look pretty good. So now I'm just gonna go in and kind of diagonally part that too. See, this is really hard for me to do this on camera, so hold on. All right, so boom, we back in action. I tried to make the parts as clean as possible. So I'm going to go in and do this braid, and I am braiding straight back. It's just a simple cornrow. So as I go in to do the braid, I just put gel mostly on the roots part. I can go ahead and define throughout the hair, but I'm still going to go back in for the curls part and define it with the foaming mousse. But yeah, so I'm just focusing the gel right up in this area and simply braiding back. Alright you guys, so I've already started defining my hair with the foaming mousse. Now I'm working on this big section right here. I already did the bottom section over here. And I think honestly the coolest thing about me doing these wash and goes back to back now, I can honestly say that I'm starting to notice my hair really curl up in the areas that were like struggle areas, which I'm really happy about, because I feel like it's like you're training your hair in a sense, you know. And sometimes I feel like it acts funny with just certain products, and I can probably say already right now with this product combination, because I'm using a hair milk, which is like a milkier, more liquidy consistency compared to a cream. I mean, the curls aren't like super popping just yet, but again, I've always said that wet curly hair is super deceiving, so I can't really get the final say until when it's like dry. But I'm going in with the African Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula Foam Setting Mousse. Now, I mean, obviously it talks about, you know, setting your hair as like braid outs, twist outs, or flexi rod sets, but I'm using it for my curls. And I just want to show you guys, I finished the braids on this side and I just pinned it away. I'm going to keep it pinned out the way while I define this side. So all I do is go in first with the section all together and just like put blobs of the foaming mousse in. Smells really good. Like all of these scents together just smell really great. Alright, so boom, once I put it all in that one section, I'm going to go in individual rows and define it. You guys know I like using my pattern brush that is basically the same as the Denman brush. And then I go in with a little bit more foaming mousse in that individual section. Go in with the brush and just define the curls. Now if I feel like certain curls aren't really curling all the way, I'll kind of go in for some of them and just finger coil it. That is literally all I'm doing. I've been doing that for all the sections. And then I'll show you guys when I'm done. Okay, so boom, I am done defining my curls, and I just put my scarf on. You guys know the drill. I like to let the products sit on my hair for about 30 minutes to an hour before I go in and diffuse it, just so the hair can really just absorb all the products and set well. So just to show you guys how much foaming mousse I used, I don't know if you guys can see that. Can y'all see that? I have this much left. Not gonna lie, I did go ham using this foaming mousse, and I only did that because in order to like really get my curls defined, using that curl milk just wasn't like defining it on its own. So I kind of, you know, had to go in and double up with some foaming mousse to get it defined. So now I kind of see that if I go in with like curl creams or curl custard like texture products, I don't have to use as much foaming mousse. So that's one little mental note I just made. So I will come back and show you guys how it looks when it is all dry. Alright, it's the next day, you guys, and my hair is 100% dry, just to show you guys up close how the curls are looking. And I went in and diffused my hair last night after I let the product sit for about an hour, because I went and like ate dinner, then came back and diffused it. And this right here is what I mean, you guys, by wet curly hair is so deceiving. Like, looking at how my hair was looking wet, I was like slightly concerned if it was even going to curl up pretty well just from just the product combination. Like, honestly, now looking at it, it's cute, it's great, but I was a little worried because it just wasn't looking how it normally looks wet with other products, and then thinking it was gonna look like this. So curls are just deceiving, and I think that's magic. Curly hair is really just magic. So just to show you guys up close, I did go in and add bobby pins to this braid and this braid to tuck those in, and this one is just left out. So now I'm going to go in and add my little hair charms, and I got these from the beauty supply store. So they're like only like $1 from the beauty supply store, and there's so many others. They're like kinds that have diamonds on them, beads on them, you name it. So let's bedazzle the hair. And last but not least, I'm going to go in with the Edge Styling Wax, also aloe and coconut water. This is a really big bottle, so you want to talk about edge control lasting you a super long time, this is going to do it. Now last night I kind of added some around the perimeter already, and also on the nape of my neck. So I'm just going to go in and kind of, you know, play with the little baby hairs that I do have, and style those up with this edge wax. Can't forget the sideburns. Just something slate. And again, this is the African Pride Aloe and Coconut Water collection. So again, you guys, I used the Curl Milk and Detangler, the anti-breakage foam setting mousse, the aloe water or aloe and coconut water curl defining gel, and last but not least, I used the Edge Wax Styler. And again, all the products that I mentioned is in the description box down below, and I give these products a 7 out of 10, especially for a wash and go. Probably be great for a braid out and twist out as well, so definitely try that out. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at the OKae, and I'll talk to you guys in another video.